In this video, you are going to see the battery drain test of Motorola Edge 14 Neo mobile. Right now, the battery is at 81%. I am going to use different apps for about 1 hour so that we can calculate for 100% how many hours the screen will last. Also, I am adding a timer to the side of it so that you can also understand better. Right now, the brightness is at 50% and I turned off the automatic brightness. Also, the display refresh rate is 144 Hz. First, I'm going to play a 4K video on YouTube for some time, because most of the people use the mobile for media consumption. After starting this test, I thought why not to make 100% brightness all over this test. So I increased the brightness to 100%. It is actually helpful if in case you use this mobile in outdoor conditions most of the time. The viewing angles of this mobile are really amazing. This display produces punchy and good contrast colors. If you want to observe more about the colors of this display, just slow down this video by going into the YouTube playback settings. After 10 minutes of continuous video playback, the battery is at 79%. Now I'm going to do some extreme test in this mobile. First, starting with the Geekbench 6. Also, you will know what are the scores of the CPU and GPU of this mobile after this test. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I connected to Wi-Fi and one single SIM card is there in this mobile. This Moto Edge 14 Neo is powered by a Dimensity 7030 6nm build chipset. I already posted a dedicated gaming review of this mobile. Check out the related video links of this mobile in the description box if in case you are watching this video lately. And also, if in case you want to buy this mobile only for gaming purpose, then you must watch the gaming review because something is fishy in this mobile. These are the single core and multi-core scores of this mobile for CPU testing. Now I'm going to run the GPU benchmark test. We will see the score in a moment. Also, I didn't notice any lags during my everyday usage. For more than a week, I have been using this mobile and testing the things. There are some good and bad things I noticed which I'll share in the full review. Soon I'm planning to post a full review. In case you are watching this video lately, check out the video links in the description box. Maybe I already posted it. Now we completed the GPU benchmark and here are the results. Also, it's close to 30 minutes mark. Now the battery is 75%. Now I'm going to use Instagram for some minutes and we will see the battery percentage after that. I don't know about you, but if I start watching these Instagram reels, the time runs like a marathon. If I want to study, it goes like a tortoise race. Comment below if you also notice it the same. Alright, I used the Instagram for more than 10 minutes. Right now the battery is at 72%. Still 20 minutes time is there. I think this is the best time to test the stress test by using the 3D Mark app. I'm going to do the wildlife extreme test now. With this test, the CPU and GPU work at maximum and the final results will be shown like average FPS, temperature, etc. Initially, I thought this test would be completed within 20 minutes, but it is taking more than that. But anyway, I'll stop and check the battery percentage after 1 hour. Now we crossed the 1 hour mark. Right now the battery is at 67%. Here is the simple math to check the screen on time for 100% battery. I will share my battery stats too in a bit. During the start of this test, the battery is at 81%. Now it is 67%. If we subtract these values, we get 14%. That means for 1 hour, it consumed 14% of the battery. If I multiply this 14 with a number that is close to 100, it's 7. 14 times 7 is 98. Here, 7 is the time in hours and 98 is the battery percentage. If I use it in the same conditions with the same apps, it consumes 98% battery for 7 hours of time. So finally, here is the battery screen on time for 100% in Moto Edge 14 Neo. It is in between 5 to 7 hours. Also note that these battery values differ from one person to another person due to various factors like the ambient temperature, the apps you are using, mobile battery health, mobile temperature, etc. Here you can see my battery stats as well. I started using this mobile at 100% while doing the gaming test. After that, I did the battery drain test, then a camera test, and now I'm using it for occasional use. So in these extreme conditions, I got more than 5 hours of screen on time. Still, some of the juice is there to use this mobile. You can observe the battery idle condition as well. It's more than 3 days. So if you use this mobile in extreme conditions, you will get 1 full day battery. Or if you are a person who uses this mobile for normal usage, then damn sure you will get more than a day of battery backup. Or maybe you get more than 2, 3 or 4 days also. It totally depends on your usage pattern. If you observe the screenshot once again, you can check when I charged this mobile up to 100%. If you want to know more details about this mobile apart from screen on time, here are the videos you need to check. Watch these videos, you will get some more information about this mobile so you can finalize whether it is a good choice for you or not.